Kansas City Chiefs defensive tackle Chris Jones is set to enter the 2023 season in the final year of his 4-year, $80 million contract he signed back in the 2020 offseason, and he's made it clear how important securing his next deal is with his actions. He skipped the defending Super Bowl champions' mandatory minicamp this offseason, and on Saturday, he didn't report to the Chiefs' start of training camp, according to NFL media's Ian Rappaport. Jones could be fined up to $50,000 by Kansas City for each day that he misses at training camp. That may not deter Jones since he and the team are far apart on the terms for a new deal, according to ESPN. His current contract's average per-year value of $20 million currently ranks as the ninth highest among defensive tackles after extensions were signed this offseason by Quinnen Williams of the Jets, 4 years, $96 million, Jeffrey Simmons of the Titans, 4 years, $94 million, Darren Payne of the Commanders, 4 years, $90 million, Dexter Lawrence of the Giants, 4 years, $90 million, and Javon Hargrave of the 49ers, 4 years, $84 million. Earlier this offseason, the 4-time Pro Bowler and 2-time Super Bowl champion declared he's coming for his first Defensive Player of the Year award, definitively stating he's going to be the NFL's top defender in 2023.